14 Steps to Turn Banana Peels into the Pad. Welcome to BIZNOB, where we uncover the fascinating inner workings of businesses. Today, we're diving into the innovative process of turning banana peels into biodegradable pads. Join us as we explore how companies are revolutionizing waste management and sustainability practices. Let's get started. 1. Collection of banana peels. Banana peels are sourced from various locations, such as fruit markets, farms, or processing facilities. Although they are often considered waste, they can be repurposed into eco-friendly products. Collection methods should prioritize cleanliness and organization to ensure that the peels are free from contaminants. 2. Cleaning and sorting. Upon collection, the banana peels undergo thorough cleaning to remove any dirt, pesticides, or residues present on the surface. Peels are sorted to separate damaged or contaminated ones from those suitable for further processing. This step helps maintain the quality of the final product. 3. Drying. The cleaned banana peels are dried to reduce their moisture content, which is essential for subsequent processing steps. Drying methods may include sun drying or mechanical drying using equipment designed for this purpose. Proper drying ensures the preservation of the peels and facilitates easier handling. 4. Grinding. Once dried, the banana peels are ground into a fine powder to facilitate fiber extraction. Grinding increases the surface area of the peels, making it easier to extract fibers during subsequent steps. Industrial grinders or mills are commonly used for this process, ensuring uniformity and efficiency in grinding. 5. Fiber extraction. The ground banana peel powder undergoes fiber extraction to isolate the fibers from other components such as cellulose and lignin. Depending on the desired purity and quality of the fibers, mechanical or chemical methods may be employed for fiber extraction. 6. Washing. Extracted banana fibers are washed thoroughly to remove any impurities or residues remaining from the extraction process. Proper washing ensures that the fibers are clean and free from contaminants, contributing to the overall hygiene of the final product. 7. Bleaching, optional. In some cases, bleaching may be performed to achieve the desired color and purity of the banana fibers. Bleaching agents and methods must be carefully chosen to minimize environmental impact and ensure the safety of the fibers for use in biodegradable pads. 8. Drying of fibers. Following washing and, if applicable, bleaching, the banana fibers are dried again to remove excess moisture. Thorough drying is essential to prevent mold growth and ensure the stability of the fibers during subsequent processing stages. 9. Formation of pad core. The dried banana fibers are formed into a pad core, which serves as the absorbent component of the biodegradable pads. Specialized equipment is used to compress and layer the fibers, creating a dense and absorbent core that can effectively retain menstrual fluid. 10. Manufacturing outer layers. Outer layers of the pads are manufactured using plant-based materials such as cotton or bamboo fibers. These materials are processed to achieve the desired softness, structure, and breathability, enhancing the overall comfort and performance of the pads. 11. Assembly. The pad core and outer layers are assembled using adhesive or heat sealing techniques. Careful assembly ensures that the layers are securely bonded, preventing leakage and ensuring the structural integrity of the pads during use. 12. Quality control. Rigorous quality control measures are implemented to assess the safety, absorbency, and comfort of the biodegradable pads. Each pad undergoes a thorough inspection to identify any defects or inconsistencies that may affect its performance or user experience. 13. Packaging. Biodegradable materials are used to package the pads, aligning with the sustainability goals of the product. Packaging includes essential information such as product details, usage instructions, and disposal guidelines to educate consumers and promote responsible use. 14. Distribution. Packaged pads are distributed through various channels, including retailers, pharmacies, and online platforms. Education initiatives may accompany distribution efforts to raise awareness about menstrual health and hygiene practices, empowering users to make informed choices. Thank you for being a part of BIZNOB, your trusted source for demystifying business operations. We trust you found today's episode enlightening and informative. Remember, your subscription and notification bell are crucial in keeping you updated with our fascinating content. Until we meet again, stay curious and keep exploring the world of business with us.